The Lexus ES has been fully redesigned for 2019. It retains its absorbent ride and indulgent interior, but it gets more power and better handling. Unfortunately, fussy controls keep this luxury sedan just short of ideal. Two versions of the ES are available. The standard V6-powered ES350 gets more horsepower for 2019. The V6 accelerates smoothly and shifts are hardly noticeable. The ES300H Hybrid uses a 4-cylinder engine and adds a battery and an electric motor to augment engine power. Both versions of the Lexus are front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is not available. The ES is known for having a quiet interior and a plush ride that's ideal for long road trips. And those qualities have improved in the redesign. The cabin remains hushed and the suspension steadily smooths out rough roads. At the same time, the new car handles better than its predecessor, with responsive steering and restrained body lean. One big change for 2019 is the addition of more aggressive exterior styling. Now, we're not going to judge this new Lexus based on its looks, but there's no debate over how it affects the car's livability. That lowered stance and sloping roof reduce headroom for taller drivers and make it harder to get in and out. Those in the rear seat get decent legroom, but once again, headroom suffers because of that roofline. The high-quality interior has plenty of soft-touch leather surfaces, and its attractive interior design adds warmth. The ES is offered with a choice of a standard 8-inch infotainment screen or an optional 12.3-inch screen that comes with a navigation system. This version of the ES is the first Lexus model to have Apple CarPlay connectivity along with Amazon Alexa, but Android Auto is still not available. Instead of a touchscreen or knob, the infotainment system relies on a touchpad controller between the front seats that interacts with the large screen. It requires precision movement, so it's easy to accidentally choose the wrong function, like calling the wrong person or choosing the wrong radio station, for instance. We found it especially difficult to use on bumpy roads. Like all new Lexuses, the ES comes with an impressive list of standard safety equipment, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. However, blind spot warning is optional and costs about $1,000 extra. The ES starts at just over $42,000. We paid just under $49,000 for our well-equipped ES. For more about luxury sedans, check out consumerreports.org.